Welcome back to another video. I know it has been about 2 weeks since I last uploaded, and I am so sorry for that. It's been a little bit hectic and busy with this coronavirus going around, and just haven't been able to film much, so that sucks. But today we are going to be doing another hydro dip video. I'm really excited about this one because we're hydro dipping trucks this time instead of skateboards. If you remember on the last one, I did 5 blank skateboards with my custom logo on it. This time we're going to be hydro dipping tensor trucks, thunder trucks, and independent trucks. They're all just generic, basic ones. The tensors are magnesium, the other ones are just basic trucks. But regardless, I'm really excited because the last time we did this video with the decks, it was just awesome and so much better than I expected. And I don't even know what this one's gonna turn out to be like. But first I have to prep all the trucks. I went ahead and started doing that with the independent and the tensor right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them apart. I'm not going to hydro dip that base plate or that base plate, but I might do the thunders. I don't know yet. But I do have to go ahead and mask them up, sand them down a little bit, just make sure that it has something to stick to, because as you can see, that's really shiny, and I don't think it's gonna stick to it that well. Same with that one. That one will probably be the worst one. This one looks like it's gonna be the best, but I don't know, we'll see. Regardless, I'm gonna go ahead and put you on a little stand. I do have a tripod set up here that's taped. Yeah, I don't know how it's gonna go, but I've got to put you on a stand, put you on a time lapse real quick so you can see what I'm gonna do to prep these. It's just gonna be a little bit of sanding and masking, and that's pretty much it, and pulling them apart, obviously. As you can see, I just finished masking everything up, and I did go a little crazy with the tape just because I want to make sure it's not going to get on any of the metal that needs to be exposed, because that's for the bearings to go through and the wheels to mount to it, and I just don't ruin it. As you can see, I'm not going to be doing those base plates. I like the way they look, that standard color, so I think I'm going to keep them that way. But the white, that whole entire truck is going to be changed. I do still have to scuff these a little bit. I haven't done it yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and then that way I can go ahead and get started on hydro dipping everything. I'm really excited to see how it turns out. Really excited to see how it turns out. I hope it works just as good as the skateboards did. But without further ado, let's jump into the hydro dipping video. As you can tell, I had to put on my flannel. Got a little chilly. The wind started blowing a little hard. So hopefully this doesn't turn out like it did last time, where the wind is blowing absolutely everywhere. But I'm gonna go ahead and start shaking up some of these cans. I think we're going to start with the independent trucks because they have the black base plate. I kind of want to do a PewDiePie theme for those. So red, white, and black I think is what I'm gonna do. It won't be obviously exactly like PewDiePie's theme, but I want to at least attempt it. So we're gonna see how it turns out. Looks like that. That is pretty cool if I don't say so myself. Oh, that is awesome. I really should be wearing gloves. What's wrong with me? All right, now we're gonna try this one. That is so awesome. And so sticky. I really regret not wearing gloves. I don't know why I started this without gloves. Hold on, I need to pause and wear gloves. Well, I might have made an oopsie and didn't wear gloves. That was a dumb idea. Don't ever try that without gloves because it gets really sticky really fast. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. I kind of want to keep the same theme with the tensor trucks with that blue and that green. So I'm gonna do this blue, this green, and yellow, I guess. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. All right, here we go. Roll the sleeves up again. Even though it's so cold out here. Let's go. And then I want to do green. I hope this looks cool. I don't know though. And I won't know until it's done. Get rid of all of this. That's not bad. I wish I had a little bit more green. It's not bad at all though, it looks kind of cool. And just to copy that same design, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in here. Not bad. Not exactly what I was looking for. Not exactly that same style of blue and green, but still, really fun process to do, and I like this. So sticky, so sticky. Ready for surgery. Don't know if that was the color I wanted to start with, but I did. I could do Spider-Man trucks. That'd be kind of cool. Ow. I don't know how I'm gonna like that color. We'll just do a little bit of that. A little bit more blue. A little bit more blue. More red on the there and there. Maybe. Help, help, help. And then black. Oh, this is gonna look cool. I think so anyway. All right, here we go. You know what? We're gonna go both of them at once. Wait, what if I get stuck? You're right, let's do this. All right, let's try it. Okay, get you out of the way. Oh, those look cool. Oh, that is just so cool. Move out of the way. Move out of the way. Move out of the way. Oh, that is just so cool. Oh my god, this is probably my favorite one now. I'll do a better view later, but that is so exciting. Well, it's still a mess in here. I'm gonna keep going. I don't know if that's a good idea or a bad idea, but I'm just gonna keep going with it. All right, now we're doing the base plates just to match it. I need another person. Help. Oh, got it. Figured out how to work it. That's cool. Okay, I didn't think this through. Gotta just be slow. Grab it from the bottom. Move. Move. Oh, that is so cool! Okay, this is probably my favorite one. This is awesome. And we're done! We just hydro dipped all the trucks, and now I want to do the base plates. I don't want to do the base plates though, but I kind of want to. But I kind of don't. I don't know. My hands are sticky. Well, I just finished hydro dipping all the trucks, and I am filthy. I'm such an idiot. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea not to wear gloves. Oh my god, why did I do that? Anyway, the trucks are done. Look at that. That is just so cool. Such a cool idea. Definitely hydro dip trucks at home too. Like, decks were cool, but look at the trucks. Like, it's all so different and all so cool. I do wish I had a little bit more of that like bluish color for that one. I don't. Even more green. That yellow was too much. I should have put more green in there. But I don't have that fluorescent green, so I don't know. But even these red trucks came out really, really well. And again, I'm not gonna do the base plate on those because I like the way they look, and I think it's just gonna stand off a little bit more with that. But this one came out so good. Like I did with the last video as well, where I said leave a comment on which one's your favorite. Leave a comment on this, which truck is your favorite, because they're so cool and they're so unique. And I think on the next video, we're gonna be doing grip tape. I know that sounds weird and I don't think it will work like I think it will, Maybe, I don't know. This has all been surprising to me, so I don't know if it's gonna work at all. I just think that doing a whole board hydro dripped is gonna be awesome, except for the bearings. Obviously, bearings you couldn't really do. Wheels, it would just be the top and the back side because they would just get worn off really, really fast. So I don't know how the wheels are gonna look. I might just buy generic wheels that have already got like that tie-dye look into it. But regardless, this is so cool. Try it at home if you haven't done so already with the skateboards or any other skate related product or anything like that. Try it at home. This thing is amazing. Hydro dipping is so fun and it's so cheap. You can buy like a can of spray paint for like $2 if you're not 18. Get your parents to do it. It sucks you have to be 18 to do this, but regardless, definitely try it at home. It's so fun. It's so cool. And you get to fully customize your board to make it 100% your own. So I think that's just awesome to me. But anyway, I'm gonna let these dry. I'm gonna put them out in the sun with whatever little sun we have. It's kind of hidden in clouds and you can't see it. There it goes. Kind of hidden in clouds, so definitely not as bright. That's a lot colder today too. But I'm gonna let these dry, finish cleaning myself up, finish cleaning this area up, and then I will show you what the finished result looks like whenever they are completely done. That way I can actually touch them and then clear coat them later. So here is the finished product of what everything looks like all put together. This one is by far my favorite one. Reminds me of a Jawbreaker. And then we've got this one. They're all so different and unique and incredibly cool. And what I want to do is put these on here. Like, look at that. That is the perfect fit, especially with how that just comes through and it looks like it hits the truck. Such a good looking board. Besides these trucks here, this one, like I said, is my absolute favorite. It came out so good. There's just so many different colors. I don't know. This is a very unique truck in my opinion. So, also I have all my boards. I do want to go ahead and say thank you to those that stayed to the end of the video just to see what the finished product looks like. It means a lot, so thank you. And if you enjoy the content, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, comment down below on what you want to see next, and then hit the subscribe button. I try to put content up every week or so, but with the virus going around, it's been a little bit more difficult, but I'm ready to get back into the pace of weekly uploads. It's really fun for me, and I want to try to do more than weekly uploads in the future, so let's try to get back on pace with that. But again, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Later, guys.